To get started, let's move on to the TradingView platform and head over to the indicators section and add the Super Trend V indicator to the chart. Once you've added the indicator, it should be displayed on the chart. Now we need to adjust the indicator settings to optimize our strategy for trading. But before we do that, I wanted to mention this strategy can be used on all charts and all time frames. So let's adjust the super trend settings to get the most out of our trading strategy. First, change the time frame to 60. Then the super trend multiplier to 1. And then change the super trend period to 21. The TP to 1.5 and the TP length to 150. Then in the style section, disable all options except for buy and sell options. With these settings, the Super Trend V indicator now functions as a simple buy and sell indicator. So when a buy signal is issued by the indicator, you can enter a long trade. And when a sell signal is issued by the indicator, you can enter a short trade. However, be aware that many indicators that generate signals may produce false signals when the market is moving sideways, which can certainly lead to losses in your account. But in this video, I've created a strategy which identifies the range-bound market and completely filter out any false signal generated during this period, ensuring that you won't enter any losing trades during these market conditions. And to fully understand this approach, be sure to pay close attention to each point I'm going to teach you until the end of this video. Now let's head over to the indicators section and search for the trend indicator A-V2 and add this indicator to your trading setup as well. Next, go to the indicator settings and set the indicator time frame to chart. Then change the MA type to WMA and the MA period to 200. And remember to set the MA period smoothing to 1 and enable the show lines option. Making changes in the style section is optional. Adding this indicator will help you to confirm the trend direction. So if the price action is above this indicator, then we have an uptrend market. And if the price action is below this indicator, then we are in a downtrend market. So now when a buy signal is issued to confirm to trade in the direction of the trend, the closing price of the signal candle should be above the trend indicator. And similarly, when a sell signal is issued to confirm to trade in the direction of the trend, the close price of the signal candle should be below the trend indicator. However, the issue of false signals during a sideways market phase is still not fully resolved. Now we need to add the next indicator, which is the impulse MACD, to our trading strategy. Next, we need to optimize this indicator. But before that, if you prefer to use trading signals, you can join the Trade Genius Telegram channel, which you can find the link in the description of this video. Now we need to change the settings of this indicator. So set the length MA to 45. And then change the length signal to 21. Then head over to the style section and disable all options except for middle line and impulse match the signal. Now to enter a trade, we need to check these rules. First, a buy signal should be issued. Then we need to make sure that the closing price of the signal candle is above the trend indicator. And for the final confirmation, the impulse MACD line should be above the zero line. So if a buy signal meets all these conditions, it is confirmed a valid signal. So we can enter the trade at the closing price of the signal candle. And next, set the stop loss below the last swing low of the market. Then set the take profit at 1.5 times the stop loss. And to enter a sell trade, we need to check these rules. First, we need a sell signal to be issued. Then we need to make sure that the closing price of the signal candle is below the trend indicator. For final confirmation, the impulse MACD line should be below the zero line. So if a sell signal meets all these conditions, it is considered a valid signal. Then we can enter the trade at the closing price of the signal candle. Next, set the stop loss slightly above the last swing high of the market. Then set the take profit at 1.5 times the stop loss. But the crucial points of this strategy is that if the impulse MACD signal line is moving on the zero line, you should never enter a trade. By using this rule, you will never lose in your trades when the market is moving sideways. Just like these examples, well, all false signals are filtered out with this rule. However, if you want to multiply your profits from trade several times over, be sure to watch this video.